Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fishing rods that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just getting started, this comprehensive review will help you make the right choice. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the MNCO Ichio U2PS fishing pole combo. This set offers incredible versatility and durability, featuring 2 carbon fiber fishing rods measuring 6.9 feet each. With 12+1 shielded stainless steel bearings and spinning reels, it delivers smooth performance, whether you're fishing in saltwater or freshwater. The package also includes 2 mono fishing lines with 15-pound strength, a convenient carry bag, and all the essentials for hassle-free travel or storage. The design is sleek and robust, thanks to its carbon fiber construction, which provides lightweight handling without sacrificing strength. The accompanying carry bag is thoughtfully crafted with a 17-inch compact size and multiple compartments, making it ideal for anglers on the go. However, the included reels, while functional, may not appeal to advanced anglers seeking ultra-refined gear. This combo is a solid choice for beginners who want a comprehensive kit to get started, and intermediates looking for a portable, well-rounded option. While it's not as feature-packed as premium models on this list, its affordable price and travel-friendly design make it a great value. Pros include portability and solid construction, but some users may find it lacks the finesse of higher-end setups. At number 4, we have the Ugly Stik Complete Spincast Reel and Fishing Rod Kit. This is a fantastic option for anglers who want an all-in-one solution. The kit includes a 5-foot, 2-piece rod made from UglyTech graphite and fiberglass construction for durability, paired with a size 30 spinning reel that's pre-spooled with 8-pound line. What truly sets this kit apart is its inclusion of 43 pieces of tackle, curated for targeting multiple species. The rod's build quality is excellent, providing a strong yet sensitive fishing experience. The EVA handle is comfortable for long fishing sessions, and the reel features a solid 5.2 to 1 gear ratio, ensuring smooth operation. The Ugly Stik clear tip adds strength and responsiveness at the tip of the rod, making it easier to detect subtle bites. However, the light power rating might limit its use for larger fish. This kit is perfect for beginners or casual anglers who want a reliable, ready-to-go setup without spending too much. The value for money is outstanding, given the included tackle and sturdy construction. Pros include its comprehensive kit and dependable design, but the light power rating and simpler reel may not appeal to experienced anglers targeting heavier species. Taking the number 3 spot is the BNT Team Portable Fishing Spinning Rod and Reel Combo Set. This premium setup combines high-density carbon fiber for durability, with a fluorescent rod tip for enhanced visibility during night fishing. The reel is equipped with corrosion-resistant ball bearings, precision gears, and a 5.2 to 1 gear ratio, ensuring smooth and powerful performance. The combo also includes a fishing bag, 100-meter nylon line, lures, floats, and even handy tools like pliers and a fish trap. The design and build quality of this combo are top-notch. The SIC guide rings ensure friction-free line flow, while the telescopic rod makes it exceptionally portable. The included accessories, such as the sun hat and arm phone stand, make it an ideal gift for avid anglers who like to stay well-equipped. However, with a price point of $51, it's slightly more expensive than other products on this list, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. This combo is perfect for anglers who want versatility and convenience in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Its thoughtful design and rich accessory bundle make it an excellent choice for intermediate to advanced users. Pros include high-quality materials and robust performance, but the higher price tag and abundance of accessories might feel overwhelming for beginners. In second place, we have the Zebco 33 Spincast Reel and 2-piece fishing rod combo. This premium option offers a sturdy 5-foot 6-inch fiberglass rod paired with a size 30 Spincast reel. The reel comes pre-spooled with 10-pound Cajun line and features quick-set anti-reverse, bite alert, and microfine dial-adjustable drag for an intuitive fishing experience. Plus, the all-metal gears and dual ceramic pickup pins ensure smooth performance and durability. The rod's moderate action and medium power make it suitable for catching a wide range of species, from panfish to bass and even catfish. The EVA handle provides all-day comfort, and the no-tangle design reel is a dream to use, especially for beginners. However, at $68.99, this setup is the priciest on our list, which might make it less appealing to budget-conscious anglers. This combo is ideal for those who want reliable performance without compromising on comfort or ease of use. It's a great pick for intermediate and advanced anglers targeting medium-sized fish. Pros include its smooth reel operation and durable build, while cons include the higher price and slightly heavier reel design. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the ugly Stik Dock Runner spinning reel and fishing rod combo. This budget-friendly option delivers incredible value at just $21.78. The 36-inch rod combines graphite and fiberglass for strength and sensitivity, while the size 30 spinning reel comes pre-spooled with 6-pound line, making it ready to use right out of the box. The ugly tough one-piece stainless steel guides provide excellent durability, and the clear tick design ensures enhanced responsiveness for subtle bites. Despite its compact size, the Dock Runner doesn't skimp on performance. The cork and EVA grips offer comfort, and the twist-lock reel seat keeps the reel securely in place. The medium power rating makes it versatile for catching bass and similar species. However, its shorter length may limit casting distance, and the reel might feel basic compared to premium models. This combo is perfect for beginners, casual anglers, or anyone looking for a dependable rod at an unbeatable price. Pros include its lightweight design, strong construction, and excellent value, while cons include limited casting range and simpler reel features. If you're on a tight budget but still want a reliable setup, the Dock Runner is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Happy fishing!